welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we are going to go back to the basics and talk about something which is really important for any skincare routine. But I have seen a lot of people on Instagram, YouTube and even some of my friends using their serum wrong. So I'll try to keep this video very short and crisp and I'll let you know how to use your serum correctly. But please watch this video till the end because all the steps are very important. And also I'll let you know my favorite serum these days. I have been loving that serum, and you'll notice such a huge difference into your skin. So without any further delay, let's begin with the video. So the first step is cleaning your face. You can use any nice face wash, whatever you're currently using, and after that pat dry your skin. And talking about serum, I personally love using vitamin C serum because it makes your skin brighter, it makes your skin glow, it helps your skin repair, collagen production and whatnot. It just impacts your skin in so many levels. Not only this, it helps with hyperpigmentation issues, skin redness issues and whatnot. So I personally love using Furr 20% vitamin C skin illuminating face serum. This is such a good vitamin C serum, and it enhances skin texture and prevents skin dullness. Also guys, it provides complete nourishment to the skin, and also it restores radiance and luminance of the skin, and it reverses the damage caused by sunspots. So let's talk about the packaging of this product first. They have put such a great thought behind the packaging of the product. So basically guys, this is the outer covering of the product, and it is of cardboard, and when you'll open like this, here is the serum bottle. So this is how it looks. This is very minimal yet very classy. And talking about the product name, they have mentioned the percentage of vitamin C which is present in this bottle, and this is so amazing. You actually know कितना percentage आप use कर रहे हैं अपनी skin में vitamin C का, and that's so amazing. Talking about the consistency of this serum, this is so lightweight, and it absorbs into the skin so quickly. And after using this serum, your skin does not feel very sticky or something. It just absorbs into the skin so quickly. And after using the serum for the first time, you'll observe like your skin is feeling very hydrated and glowy, and this is the first thing which you will observe after using the serum. I have been using the serum consistently for like 2 months now, and I have seen a huge difference in my skin. My skin has brightened up so much, and it has improved my skin texture as well. Also guys, I had some sunspots here and I had the issue of skin redness, but after using the serum, my skin redness issue has been reduced so much. Plus यहाँ पर जो sunspots थे वो भी काफ़ी fade out हो चुके हैं, and I'm so happy with the results of this serum. So that's why I would highly recommend you guys to check out this Furr 20% vitamin C skin illuminating face serum. This is such a good face serum. So going back to the process, first wash your face and now shake this bottle well and take few drops of this serum and massage it using your fingertips. Once you are done with massaging, then gently dab it, pushing the serum deeper into your skin. The reason why we are doing so is very important. So basically guys, serum have very tiny particles, like really tiny particles, and they have the potential to go inside your skin and repair your skin from inside. So basically guys, a lot of beauty products that we use, they give you a quick fix, and on the other hand, serums can go inside your skin and repair your skin from inside. And after using the serum, don't forget to apply the moisturizer to lock the serum in. So now guys, I have seen a lot of people, they don't apply the moisturizer after using the serum. Or what they do, they apply the moisturizer and then they apply the serum. So this process is exactly the reverse of the exact process what we should do, okay? Because if you will apply the moisturizer and then apply the serum, then what will happen, moisturizer will create a layer onto your skin, and then if you will apply the serum, the tiny particles of the serum cannot go inside your skin because you have already applied the layer of the moisturizer, and then it will be complete waste of your serum. So yeah guys, this is it for today's video, and I'll mention the product link in the description box below, and also you can use my code to get additional discount. So yeah guys, if you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for more updates. Bye.